Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 hybrid IEM earphones in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading hybrid IEM earphone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Linsoul ZiiGaat X Fresh reviews Arete in-ear monitors. These hybrid earphones are perfect for musicians, audiophiles, and gamers. Let's explore their incredible features. The Arate's 1DD plus 4BA configuration fully utilizes its drivers. American Knowles drivers provide clear mids and treble, while the biocellulose diaphragm driver delivers powerful bass. A 10mm biocellulose diaphragm dynamic driver powers the sub-bass and bass. The neodymium magnets ensure a responsive, tight bass with excellent texturing in the low end. The Arete features Knowles 29689 and 31736 drivers for natural mids, mid-trebles, and pristine upper treble. Vocals and string instruments sound exceptional with this precise tuning. Designed to emulate studio monitors, the Arete delivers natural tuning with punchy bass. The mid-range is flat, allowing instruments and vocals to sound exactly as recorded. In conclusion, the Arete in-ear monitors offer outstanding sound quality, comfort, and performance. Ideal for musicians, audiophiles, and gamers. Number 4. The Linsoul Xenns Mangird T Pro in-ear monitors. These hybrid earphones are designed for audiophiles and gamers, offering top-notch sound and comfort. Building on the success of the Mangird T and MKII, the T Pro features updated drivers and refined tuning based on customer feedback for an enhanced audio experience. Equipped with new dual dynamic drivers, the Mangird T Pro delivers responsive diaphragm motion and stronger, cleaner sub-bass impact with minimal distortion. The latest Knowles RAD, RAF, and RDB composite drivers provide improved tuning, natural timbre, and textured sound, ensuring a balanced and high-fidelity audio experience. Designed with customer input, the T Pro enhances sub-bass, bass frequencies, and treble for fuller sound while maintaining tonal balance and clarity. In conclusion, the Mangird T Pro in-ear monitors offer exceptional sound quality, comfort, and precision. Perfect for audiophiles and gamers alike. Number 3. The YINYOO ZST in-ear earphones. Today, we'll explore why these vibrant earbuds are perfect for music lovers and gamers alike. Let's dive in. Designed with memory wire technology, these earbuds ensure a comfortable, locked-in fit. Enjoy rich, energetic sound across bass, mid-range, and treble for an immersive listening experience. The hybrid balance armature and dynamic driver, combined with patented silicone tips, enhance noise cancellation. Experience direct sound transmission to your eardrums for better quality audio. For around $20, these earphones offer enhanced sound quality and design. Ideal for gaming, computers, and more, they provide exceptional performance at an affordable price. Featuring a 3.5mm L plug and stylish design, these earbuds work with most devices. The removable cable ensures easy upgrades and improved sound quality. In conclusion, the YINYOO ZST earphones deliver excellent sound, comfort, and performance. Perfect for audiophiles and gamers. Number 2. The Sennheiser IE 200 in-ear audiophile headphones. Today, we'll dive into what makes these headphones a must-have for true music lovers seeking unparalleled sound quality. The IE 200 delivers neutral, true-to-life sound with impactful bass. Thanks to the 7mm true response transducers, you'll experience minimal distortion for clear and detailed audio. Crafted in Ireland, the transducers are precisely assembled to minimize variations. This advanced process ensures consistent performance across units, providing a reliable listening experience. With 2 mounting positions for the ear tips, you can customize the bass response. Choose the low-end tuning that suits your preferences for a tailored sound experience. Designed for comfort, the IE200 offers a secure fit for any ear size. The ergonomic design and adjustable ear hooks ensure long-lasting comfort and excellent noise isolation. In conclusion, the Sennheiser IE200 headphones provide outstanding sound, precision, and comfort. They're an excellent choice for audiophiles. Number 1. The Sennheiser IE900 in-ear monitors. Today, we'll explore the features that make these audiophile-grade earphones a standout choice for music enthusiasts. The IE900 boasts a sleek, robust design with para-aramid reinforced cables and gold-plated MMCX connectors, ensuring durability and reliability over time, even after extensive use. Thanks to the innovative X3R technology in 7mm true response transducer, you'll experience larger-than-life sound with incredible clarity, covering the entire frequency spectrum for detailed listening. With silicone and memory foam ear adapters in 3 sizes and flexible ear hooks, the IE900 provides a snug fit and excellent noise isolation for comfortable, long listening sessions. The triple-chamber absorber system and acoustic vortex technology eliminate resonances, delivering refined treble and minimal distortion, enhancing your overall listening experience. In conclusion, the Sennheiser IE900 in-ear monitors offer exceptional sound quality, comfort, and durability, making them a fantastic investment for serious audiophiles. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.